Okay, everyone. Now see, look at my screen. Look at my screen. Here is the chapter. Okay, open this one. Open this chapter. M is R. So very easy. Already you are known about M is R. So let's get started. So I am is R. These are known as be verb. Am is R known as be verb. Be verb means these are known as be verb, not the main verb. These are be verb. Always am used with I. Okay, always am. Am we use am with I always. Okay, keep in mind I and am. These two are friend. I always sit before am. Okay, I am. Okay, so after I we always use am. After I we always use am. We use is with one person or thing. If any person or thing, if we want to talk about one person or one thing, we will use is. Okay, if the thing is only one in number, we will use I is. If the thing only one is number. But if thing, if we are talking about more than one person, if we are talking about more than one person or thing, we will use A-R-E-R. Okay, more than one. A-R-E-R. Understand? So if you want to say I am a teacher, see, look at these examples. I am a teacher, you are a singer. And keep in mind, after you mean you also refer one person and also you refer. So after you always we use are. After you we always use A-R-E-R. Always. Okay. You are always. He is a student. After he will use is. After she we use is. After it we use is. After we always use are. After they we always use are, because we mean more than one person. They mean also more than one person. So you, we, and they. T-H-E.
Ma'am, leave.
What? So we always use are with are. We always use are with you, we, and they. Okay. Now do the exercise A. Now all of you do exercise A. All everyone do exercise A. Fill in the blanks with am, is, or are. Am, is, or are. Do it by yourself. Very easy. And solve the exercise. Do this in your book. Do the exercise in your book. Very easy. Here will be I am. Kasim. Kasim means Kasim. We can easily understand in this sentence Kasim is a single person. Single person. In this sentence we are talking about only Kasim. So we will use I as is. I am Samir. Kasim is a good student. No need to raise your hand. If you have completed, just go to the next page and solve all the exercise one by one. And also check my copy. Am I doing it correctly or not? We, we, we are different. We are different. I dash from a small town near Surat. No need to look at my screen. Do it by yourself. I am. He, after he, we always use he is. He is. His parents. His parents mean not only mother, not only father. Father and mother both are known as parent. So after parent, you must have to write are. His parents are doctor. They, we know they are. They are. Why are? Because they mean more than one person. Kasim and I. Kasim and I is no, because Kasim and I. This sentence we are talking about two persons, myself and Kasim. So Kasim and I are good friends. So student, if you have already completed, so then check my copy. Am I doing correctly or not? If you have done, then check my book. Okay? Acha, Samiha too, Mubasir too. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. You just have to choose Amizar and then have to write here. I am, are, is. So now I'm ticking on the option, but keep in mind you have to write it. I am, there are, I am, acha, there are 20 students in my class. Why? Because here the number is written 20. 20 means more than one number. So there are 20 students in my class. Richa is our class monitor. Richa is. She is a friendly girl. We are very fond of her. Then do it. Look at the picture, then complete the passage using am, is, are. This this is Snow White. She is a pretty girl. She is a pretty girl. Her hair, acha, her hair is black. Her shoes are yellow. Her dress is yellow and blue. So from tomorrow we'll start to take test. Okay, from tomorrow, as we have completed all the chapter today, so from tomorrow I will start taking small class test. So from tomorrow we will start our revision. Okay, so in revision class, what will tomorrow I'll take test from English literature. English literature, let me tell you the chapter name. The chapter name is Re Goes to the Market. Tomorrow we'll take a test from the chapter Re Goes to the Market. Okay, so tomorrow there will be exam for 10 marks from the chapter Re Goes to the Market. Understand? Re goes to the market. Re goes to the market. So, Upama completed. Upama, unmute your device and tell me completed or not. Yes. Yes. Say again. Where? Where, Baba? Tell me the question. Oh, yes, yes. Why? Because Kashim and I. Always we use am. Always we use am with I. But here not only I. Kasim and I. Count the person. Kasim and I. If you say that I and Vedasrita, how in this sentence, how many person we are talking about? We are talking about 2 person, I and Kasim. Yes? Yes, Upama? Understand? Kashi? Yes, Boshe, but not in present tense. Now we are talking about am, is, are. This is called present tense. Shall, we will use shall in the for the future tense. Okay. So, এখন তোমাদের tense তো নেই. So, gradually you came to know everything. Okay. Now we are talking about only am, is, are. Upama, understand why? Upama, is it clear to you? You have completed, but is it clear that why after I have written are? Because in this sentence we are talking about Kashim and I. Kashim and I mean 2 person, yes? Okay, ma'am, and I am completed all the answer. Okay, okay. Don't raise your hand. Okay, Shanchari. Okay, very good. Obhinava Shaurjo. Shani Adrija. Okay. Shubhro. Shubhro, if you are not feeling well, you can leave the class. But when you are doing the class, you can do the classwork. Yes, unmute your device.
Ma'am, I am in not my home. That's why I do not take my books and copies.
Okay. Do it later and then.
Ma'am,
But student,
ma'am,
I have one request. If you go anywhere and then also you are interested to do the class, that time always try to carry your book or copy. Because if you really want to do the class, if you don't want to miss your class, then I can give you one advice. Then you should carry your books so that you can do the classwork, na? So while you are doing the class, do it properly. Okay, Isha, Vedasrita, very good. Shubham, Mahir, Tamiha, Ognidipta, Mopoli, switch on your video. Mariam, Parveen, Pavan, Jishan, Mopoli, switch on your video. Acha, Mubasir, Paushita, Debarpon, Upama, Tabasum, Onkit, Ashif, Shomodip, Ridhima. Okay, very good. Odrija, Oishani, Oishani, Odrija. Okay. So Shubha, don't worry. Do it later. Do it later and then send me in the group, in the chat group. No problem. Take care. Jishan, okay. Debarpon, Upama, Monojit, Odrita, Sufyan, Jewel, Ridhan, Shruti, Afrin, Cap, Odrija. Okay. Very good, all of you. Okay. Okay, Samia. Okay. Poshita. Okay, very good. Ridhan, okay. Okay, very good. Okay, Mariam, Paban. Paban, sit down. Okay, Upama, very good. Completed? Is it clear to you that tomorrow there will be test from the chapter Re Goes to the Market? 10 marks exam will be there, okay? 10 marks exam will be there tomorrow from the chapter Re Goes to the Market, okay? I can give you also insight question and exercise question. For exercise question, Samiha, be attentive. What are you doing? Don't do this. So I can give you insight question as well as exercise question. So all insight question will be important for your upcoming SU1 exam. So take the exam very seriously. Okay. Now study all inside. Read every sentence. Okay. Each and every sentence from the chapter Re Goes to the Market. Okay. Chalo. Any question? Shubham, any question? Any question? Yes, ma'am. Say.